Hey everybody, Varun here once again from Language Academy. Guys, very proud to have Sukhjit with me today. She has smashed her PTE exam 8 each in PTE, and that too in the very first attempt after your classes, after your coaching. How does that feel, Sukhjit? Great achievement. We were craving for 8 each. You know, you were kind of scared, nervous, everything before you went for the exam. How does this feel?
Okay. First of all, I would like to thank you, especially to the Language Academy team, especially Varun sir and Vishal sir. I was like, when I started the classes here, I always, like when I was doing in the lab, I was always afraid, especially Varun sir. And I always feel like if someone else is here, like so I can show my work, but I don't want to show you actually. But then later on I find like, no, I want to show it to you. Yeah, so I still can't believe like I got my desired score. But I would say like the lab sessions are really helpful. And the second thing is like whatever you are doing, so there should be someone like who is watching you, what you are doing. So it doesn't matter what you are doing, if you are doing any listening summaries or anything. So one should be there to see what you are doing, your mistakes or.
That's right, because you need proper feedback, because earlier when you took few of the exam few other times, you were getting around 67 in your last attempt. You had 67 in your listening, and this time you have got 79 in listening. That's 12-point increase, guys, in the very first go. And that's what I believe, because earlier you were not really focusing on MCQs and everything. You thought they were very easy, and listening fill in the blanks as well. You didn't really used to practice that. And also summarized spoken text was one of the area we identified in your case, that we changed it, right? So guys, very important you have a proper mentor who will guide you, who will give you the feedback that what things you need to work on, what is correct, what is incorrect, and what are the proper strategies, efficient strategies, proven strategies which will help you to get your desired score, get 8 each in PT, because a lot of students, even if they practice for themselves, they'll get 7 each or 65, 67, 69. But when you're aiming for 8 in each and every section, you need that proper guidance. You were quite regular. Every day you used to come here at 10 o'clock before me as well, right? And you used to finish 5 o'clock. That takes a lot of dedication, lot of hard work, consistency. What motivated you to be here every day for a continuous month? What was your motivation behind that? How did you manage everything?
Okay, so before that I already attempted 7 times, and that was my 8th attempt. But like after having the classes, it was like my first attempt from here. So actually when I got the last exam, it was like 67 in listening, and I was like, no, I can't get 79. Like it's very hard to increase one single point, and I need a lot. But then I would say here, I would like to say really thankful to my husband as well, because he is the one person like who was doing the night shifts and then looking after my little one during the daytime. And I think that's the thing, like I always think like if he can do this, why not I can't do? So and the thing is like if you practice hard, definitely you will get paid off.
That's right, that's right guys. If you practice hard, if you are giving your 100%, if you're true to yourself, that will pay off 120%. You have to be honest to yourself and you will get your desired score. Any piece of advice for students who are preparing or who are struggling like you were and they think they can't really do it? Any advice for them, please?
So the only advice is like just be regular to the lab sessions, follow the strategies like the teacher told in the class, because sometimes you say, no, if I got that strategy from one of my friends or from like wherever you did the practice before, so just leave that. So whatever you have, just leave it and start from the new beginning again. So I would say the practice and be regular to the class lab sessions, and of course like show your work to the teachers and the tutors.
That's right guys. So consistency, and then if you get the proper feedback, you will do it as well. You need to know what mistakes you're making, because a lot of times students think that I'm doing everything right but still I'm not really getting the score. The system is passed, PT is not giving the score on purpose. But there's nothing like that. If you do each and everything perfect, if you have someone who will tell you, yes, these are the mistakes you need to work on, you will get your score as well, like she did. Congratulations once again, great achievement, 20 points towards your permanent residency. She is doing NAATI as well, and I am 120% sure you'll smash that as well. All the very best guys. Keep on practicing, you'll do it as well. Thanks guys.